loaded. Preloaded. Are those shots coming from the
X-ray 316, shot fired, suspects down.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Richie with Raw Tactics, and today we're going to be talking about long-range shooting when it comes to your rifle. And as you may or may not know or have heard, recently there was an officer who took a 180-some-yard shot to stop a threat, and he's being praised for his poise, confidence, demeanor, and actually making the shot from behind his patrol vehicle. We're going to talk about those fundamentals and how you can execute them in order to make that shot as well. But first, let's talk about our new sponsor to the channel, which is Click Belts. What belt are you wearing to hold up your pants? If it's not a Click belt, then you're definitely missing out. Not only can you wear it for everyday carry, but I also wear them in my tactical belts in order to keep my gear nice and snug to my body. Check them out at clickbelts.com. Show them some love because they're showing us some. Thank you very much. So let's also talk about Rex Manning. If you comment who Rex Manning is and what movie he's from, I'll send you a discount to Click Belts, maybe even get you a free belt. But comment below, tell me what this shirt is from, and we'll hook you up. So today, we're gonna be shooting my rifle by Aero Precision in order to make these 180-yard shots. It's hooked up with the GemTech Shield Suppressor, the AGM Rim Saw, the Mod Light, the EOTech, with the all-trustworthy Criterion barrel in there in order for those precise, accurate shots. All right, let's talk about how I made that shot, and let's talk about the fundamentals so you can make that shot. First off, from long-range shooter, let me disclaim this by, I'm not a sniper, I'm not a long-range shooter by any means. What I can do is I can execute the fundamentals enough to show you what works for me. Maybe you take it, maybe you don't, but take these tips and we'll see what works for you. So, first of all, at this distance, when I have a barrier for me to brace against, I want to use any type of stable barrier, whether it be a vehicle, whether it be a side of a house, whether it be a barrel, any type of stable barrier. I want to brace myself against that in a way to help my shot be more accurate. Now, on the back of this vehicle, what I do is I take the knife edge of my hand, I put it against the vehicle and I make a C with my support hand, and that's where my rail fits. And I push the knife edge of my hand against the vehicle with that C, and I lean into that shot, and this helps me become more stable with my shot. It keeps my reticle, it keeps that red dot a little bit more accurate, and it helps me take a more precise shot. Now, we can also do it to where you come out and you're standing, but from this distance, when you're standing, you're gonna get lots of wiggle. No matter how tight I pull this gun into me, I'm getting tons of wiggle room from my optic here. You can go prone, which is a very good position as well. You're laying down, you have lots of points of contact on the floor. It's probably gonna be your most stable position. But if that's not an option and you have a barrier to push against, you can sit there, you can push against, get your optic on sight, and fire your shot. So it's not a quick process. The more you practice it, the quicker you'll become. But just remember, when you're up against a barrier, push against it, C-grip your hand, rail goes into C-grip, push against, lean in, and that's gonna make you a more stable shooting platform. All right, so let's incorporate this into a drill. Obviously we wanna do things accurate, but we also wanna do it with a little bit of an expedited pace as well, if needed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the power timer for 13 seconds. We'll start inside of your vehicle, 1 foot out, hit the power timer, get to the back of your vehicle, grab your rifle, magazine can already be loaded up, rack around, fire the round, and let's do that in less than 13 seconds. All right, so I'm gonna steal this from my cameraman. That didn't pick up the time, a little too far away with the suppressor, but it was obviously less than the 13-second par time that we had. So you can run this drill 13 seconds, 15 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever you want, but 13 seems to be pretty realistic when it comes to picking up the pace on this. All right, I hope you guys like the breakdown of this video. I like doing a little bit of real life events, breaking them down and seeing how we can duplicate them ourselves and if not, make them better. Like the video, subscribe, drop a comment below, not only on the shirt to win your prize, but what you guys would like to see, how you guys are doing, how you guys are training. Keep in touch. I'm Richie with Raw Tactics, and I'll see you later.